Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a project that is truly special, a masterclass in restoration that redefines the meaning of transformation. Before us sits a forgotten giant, a passenger bus that has clearly seen better days. Decades of service are etched into every dent, every scratch, and every creeping patch of rust. It now rests in the quiet solitude of this workshop, a silent testament to a life of hard work, now awaiting its uncertain fate. But where some see an ending, our incredibly skilled mechanic sees a new beginning. And this is our protagonist for this incredible journey. A young, determined woman who looks upon this seemingly lost cause not as a piece of junk, but as a blank canvas for something extraordinary. Her first task is monumental, almost Herculean in scope, to completely strip down this vehicle, starting from the inside out, preparing it for a total rebirth. Let's watch as she takes the first crucial step. Armed with a professional-grade impact driver, she dives right in, her movements filled with a clear sense of purpose. The immediate target: the rows of old, dilapidated passenger seats. The powerful whir of the tool echoes through the empty space, a sound of progress as it effortlessly breaks the grip of bolts that have likely been sealed by years of rust, grime, and pressure. She works with a methodical rhythm, moving from one seat to the next, a dance of disassembly. The upholstery is torn, the foam is exposed, and the metal frames are coated in a layer of surface rust. Each seat represents a piece of the bus's past life, a memory of countless journeys, all of which must be cleared away to make room for its vibrant future. This is not just a simple unbolting process, it is a physically demanding task. She single-handedly lifts and carries these heavy, awkward metal frames out of the vehicle. Her strength and efficiency are nothing short of impressive, demonstrating a level of dedication that is absolutely essential for a project of this massive scale. With the main seating now removed, she turns her attention to the finishing touches of the demolition. The old, faded and dusty blue curtains, which once offered shade to passengers, are systematically pulled down from their tracks along the windows. Every last vestige of the old utilitarian interior is stripped away. The bus is now a hollow shell, a cavernous space of bare metal and worn flooring. It feels both empty and full of potential, a truly blank canvas, prepped and ready for its incredible second act. And now, we move to a phase that is universally loved by restoration enthusiasts across the globe: the power wash. She begins by blanketing the entire vehicle in a thick, luxurious layer of snow foam. This powerful cleaning agent is not just for show, it's a chemical pre-soak designed to penetrate deep into the grime, breaking down years of stubborn, caked-on dirt and road film, making the subsequent pressure washing process far more effective and less abrasive on the underlying paint. The high-pressure washer is unleashed, and the results are instant and spectacular. Watch as the powerful stream of water slices through the filth with almost surgical precision. It's like watching an archaeologist carefully uncovering a hidden artifact. The old, faded blue and white paint, which has been hidden under a thick brown coat of dirt for who knows how long, is finally revealed. She methodically works her way around the entire vehicle, from the front grille, which is caked with insects and road debris, to the rear hatch. Every panel, every window frame, and every wheel well is meticulously blasted clean. The sheer volume of brown, murky water running off the bus is a clear testament to just how long this vehicle has been sitting idle, exposed to the harshness of the elements. Her dedication to a thorough job is extraordinary. In a move that showcases her commitment to perfection, she now takes the pressure washer inside the bus. This is a bold and impressive step that many would skip. The floor, the walls, and even the reflective ceiling are hit with the high-pressure stream, flushing out decades of accumulated dust and grime from every nook, cranny, and corner. And just when you think she couldn't possibly be more thorough, she does something that sets her apart from amateur restorers. The engine compartment, located inside the cabin between the front seats, is opened up. Fearlessly, she begins to pressure wash the entire engine block, the radiator, and all surrounding components, stripping away years of built-up grease, oil, and road dust. This is a pro-level technique, ensuring a clean foundation for any future mechanical work and making a statement that this is a true, ground-up, professional-grade restoration. This project goes far beyond cosmetic appeal. It's a full mechanical and structural overhaul. She now slides underneath the bus to perform critical maintenance on the drivetrain. The first task is to drain the old differential fluid. You can see it pouring out, thick and black, a clear sign that it is long overdue for a change. Replacing this fluid is absolutely vital for the longevity and smooth operation of the vehicle's complex internal gears. With the fluids draining, she gets back to the bodywork. The real, gritty battle against the vehicle's decay begins now. She equips a powerful angle grinder with a heavy-duty stripping disc and begins to attack the rusted sections of the body panels with vigor. A brilliant shower of sparks illuminates the workshop, a fiery and beautiful sign that she is cutting through the compromised metal and getting down to a clean, healthy, and stable surface. This is a loud, dirty, but absolutely essential process. Every single spot of rust, no matter how small, must be completely removed. If any is left behind, it will act like a cancer, eventually bubbling up and ruining the new paint job from beneath. She works with a steady hand and intense focus, ensuring that every last trace of corrosion is completely eradicated. With the rust defeated, it's time to repair the damage and restore the smooth, clean lines of the bus. She expertly mixes up a batch of professional-grade body filler. Using a putty knife, she begins to apply the filler to the ground-down areas, dents, and imperfections. Her technique is smooth and efficient, a process that is part science and part sculpture, as she carefully shapes the filler to perfectly match the original contours of the bus. After the filler has had time to cure and harden, the long, patient, and arguably most critical process of sanding begins. This is where a restorer's true dedication and patience are tested. She starts with a power sander, which quickly levels the larger repaired sections, creating clouds of fine white dust that fill the air. She wears a mask, a crucial safety precaution. For the more intricate curves and for the final delicate finish, she switches to manual sanding with a block and sandpaper. This meticulous, hands-on method allows for greater control and a more refined touch, ensuring that every repaired surface is perfectly flush and seamlessly blended with the surrounding metal. This isn't just about making it smooth, it's about creating a perfect mechanical key for the primer and paint to adhere to, ensuring a durable, long-lasting finish. The bus now stands as a patchwork of bare metal, pale yellow filler, and old paint. It's a ghost of its former self, prepped and primed for a new beginning. She now begins the final preparations for painting. She carefully masks off all the windows, lights, and trim pieces with paper and tape. This detailed work is crucial for achieving crisp, clean paint lines and a professional, factory-quality finish. And now, the moment of pure, unadulterated transformation. The paint sprayer is filled and the first coat is applied. But this is not a standard, boring colour. She has chosen a vibrant, beautiful pink primer. This audacious and joyful choice is a clear statement. This bus is being reborn into something fun, unique, and full of life. With steady, professional strokes, she lays down a perfect, even coat of pink. The old, tired blue and white livery, a symbol of its past life as a simple passenger vehicle, disappears forever beneath this cheerful, exciting new color. The bus is literally shedding its old skin and embracing a new, vibrant identity. She takes her time, ensuring every inch is covered. While the body paint cures, the wheels receive their own special treatment. Having been thoroughly cleaned and prepped, they are now being coated in a deep, glossy black paint. This classic, sleek finish will provide a stunning and stylish contrast against the bright pink body, giving the restored bus a modern and polished look that grounds the entire design. But the hard work is far from over. Her attention returns to the heavy-duty mechanics, demonstrating the depth of her skills. She tackles the rear axle assembly, removing the wheel to gain access to the hub and bearings. This is a complex, greasy job that requires both strength and precision. The axle shaft is carefully extracted from the housing. As you can see, it's covered in old, thick, and broken down grease. She begins the meticulous process of cleaning every single component with solvent and a brush, ensuring all the old contaminants that could cause future damage are completely removed. The wheel hub and the delicate bearings inside are also given a thorough cleaning. This is absolutely crucial for the safety and performance of the vehicle, as contaminated bearings can lead to overheating and catastrophic failure. Once every part is pristine, from the axle splines to the bearing races, the reassembly process can begin. This is a job that requires precision and care. Fresh, high-temperature grease is carefully packed into the wheel bearings. This is essential as it lubricates the moving parts, reduces friction, and prevents overheating. The hub is reinstalled and the wheel is mounted back onto the axle. Each lug nut is carefully tightened in a star pattern, a professional technique that ensures the wheel is seated evenly and securely against the hub. She then repeats this entire detailed process on the opposite wheel, ensuring both sides of the axle are fully serviced and safe for the road. With the demanding exterior and mechanical work complete, it is finally time to bring the interior to life. The first elements to be reinstalled are the clean, beautiful royal blue curtains. They add a touch of elegance and provide a rich pop of colour that will contrast wonderfully with the pink exterior and the lighting that is about to be installed. She adjusts each curtain with care, making sure they hang perfectly, adding a sense of luxury and privacy to what was once a public space. And now, the real magic begins. Armed with a hot glue gun, she starts the process of lining the ceiling with strings of multicolored LED fairy lights. Yellow, green, red, and blue lights are carefully arranged to create a dazzling, festive canopy of color. The bus is rapidly transforming from an empty shell into a vibrant, enchanting space. The entertainment system is the heart of this party bus. A huge flat-screen TV is carefully brought in and securely mounted at the front, angled perfectly for viewing. A professional sound mixer and a powerful amplifier are set up, ready to power the large speakers that will fill this space with high-quality sound. And to complete the lounge experience, 2 stylish, modern red bar stools are placed inside. Their sleek design confirms the vehicle's new purpose. The final touch? A classic spinning disco ball is installed in the center of the ceiling, ready to cast dancing spots of light across the entire interior. She connects all the wiring to a power inverter, and with the flick of a switch, the interior erupts into a spectacular, private concert venue. The TV screen flickers to life, and the multicolored lights pulse and dance, creating an atmosphere of pure fun and excitement. This is no longer just a bus, it's a destination. To complete this incredible vision, the exterior needs its final branding. Custom-cut vinyl decals are carefully unrolled. She begins to apply the name of this unique creation to the side. the Cat's Bloom Club. The sleek black letters are a bold statement against the pink background, applied with care and precision. And of course, the theme wouldn't be complete without its star mascot. A giant, adorable Hello Kitty decal is meticulously applied to the rear side of the bus. She uses a squeegee to smooth it down carefully, ensuring a perfect, bubble-free application that will last. Small, charming heart decals, in both black and white, are scattered across the body, adding an extra layer of sweetness and detail that perfectly complements the main theme. A second large Hello Kitty decal is prepared for the front of the bus, creating a symmetrical and balanced design. Finally, the name Hello Kitty is applied in a stylish flowing script right above the front grille. The bus now has a complete, unforgettable, and utterly unique personality, ready to turn heads wherever it goes. The attention to detail is just fantastic. The work is finally done. The transformation, from start to finish, is nothing short of breathtaking. And right on cue, the new owner arrives to see his custom-ordered party bus for the very first time. He walks around the vehicle, and his expression is one of pure astonishment and delight. He starts the engine, listens to its smooth and healthy idle, and then steps inside to be greeted by the dazzling light show. He is clearly thrilled with the final product, his vision perfectly realized. A handshake and a payment seal the deal. The mechanic's hard work, long hours, and incredible skill have been rewarded. As a final, heartfelt gesture of his gratitude and admiration for her craft, the new owner presents her with a beautiful bouquet of flowers. It is a perfect, touching end to an inspiring and monumental project. From a forgotten, rusted shell to a one-of-a-kind, fully restored, custom-built Hello Kitty party bus. This has been a remarkable journey of skill, dedication, and creativity. What did you think of this amazing restoration? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next project.